I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
You might have seen those cute, funny, and sometimes weird AI cat videos. They look like cartoons, but they're made with AI tools. And guess what? They're making thousands of dollars every single month. For example, a channel called A Cat Bombastic has around 90,000 subscribers and more than 325 million views. According to Social Blade, it's earning between $79,000 and $1.3 million every month, just from these AI cat clips. Another one, iCat Story 9, is making up to $17,000 per month, with fewer than 500,000 subscribers. So in this video at iExplorer, I'm going to show you step by step how you can also make money by creating your own AI cat videos, using free tools, no camera, and no special skills needed. Let's get started. Let's look at the AI tools you'll need to create these viral videos. Next up is ChatGPT. This is where you'll get all your video ideas and scripts. Whether you need funny voiceovers, cat personalities, or hilarious scenarios, ChatGPT can help you brainstorm and write content that will captivate your audience. Another must-have is Midjourney or Stable Diffusion for creating eye-catching thumbnails. Let's be honest, a good thumbnail can make or break your video. Using AI-generated thumbnails will ensure you grab people's attention and get them to click on your video immediately. And don't forget ElevenLabs for voiceovers. AI-generated voices can bring your cat's inner thoughts to life, making your content even more hilarious and engaging. Now that you have the right tools, it's time to create viral content ideas. The beauty of using AI is that you can generate content instantly. Here's how you can do it. Start by asking ChatGPT to give you a list of funny and creative cat video ideas. Cat goes grocery shopping alone. Cat's first job interview. When a cat becomes a waitress at restaurant. These ideas tap into the humor and unpredictability that make cat videos so shareable. You can also ask AI to help you fine-tune the scripts or come up with clever, funny titles that will draw in viewers right away. Once you have your ideas, it's time to make it real. You can ask ChatGPT to give you prompts for making the AI images. When you have this now, you can use Midjourney, Leonardo, or any AI image generator tool. Go to any tool, give it a prompt here, and boom, your AI image is generated. Here are some prompt ideas for Leonardo AI. A fluffy cat in a detective outfit with a magnifying glass, in a noir-style rainy city background, dramatic lighting. A superhero cat flying over a city with a cape, cartoon-style, vibrant comic book colors. A sleepy cat attending a Zoom meeting in a messy room, digital painting, humor style. With just a few words, you can generate entire scenes or characters ready for animation. Now let's talk about editing your video. If you want to take the more advanced route, you can use Halo AI, which offers AI-powered tools for trimming, syncing, and polishing your content. However, there can be delays and issues with rendering time or uploading footage. That's why I recommend you edit your videos directly on CapCut. Now, next step is AI voiceover. Use ElevenLabs to add funny, engaging voiceovers that give your cat a personality. Imagine a cat staring at its owner and the voiceover says, "What exactly are you doing now? You know I'm the one in charge here." This human-like touch adds humor and keeps your audience engaged. The voiceovers make your videos feel more personal, drawing viewers in and making them want to watch more. Thumbnails are one of the most important factors when it comes to attracting clicks. If your thumbnail doesn't stand out, your video might never be seen. That's where Midjourney or Stable Diffusion come in. You can use AI to generate eye-catching thumbnails of your cat doing something outrageous, like chasing a laser in a superhero costume or getting surprised by an unexpected object. A bright, colorful, and exaggerated thumbnail will make people stop scrolling and click on your video. A shocked cat with exaggerated eyes or a funny caption will ensure your video stands out in a sea of content. Once your video is ready, the next step is to ensure it gets discovered. You can have the best video in the world, but if no one sees it, you won't make money. This is where YouTube SEO comes in. Using tools like VidIQ or TubeBuddy, you can optimize your video's title, description, and tags. Make sure your video title includes keywords like funny cat video or viral cat compilation. The more specific your title, the more likely YouTube will recommend it to the right audience. Use ChatGPT to generate SEO-friendly titles and descriptions that will help your video get discovered. Now let's get to the most important part, making money from your viral videos. There are multiple ways to earn. Ad revenue. Once your video starts gaining traction, YouTube will start showing ads on it, and you'll earn a share of that revenue. The more views your video gets, the more money you make. Affiliate marketing. Include links to pet-related products, like cat food, toys, or accessories, in your video description. Whenever someone buys a product using your link, you earn a commission. Sponsored content. You can collaborate with pet brands or even AI companies to create sponsored videos. They'll pay you to feature their products in your cat videos. It's not enough to just upload your video. Promotion is key. Share your videos across Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. You can even join cat-related Facebook groups or post on subreddits where people love cats. The more eyes you get on your video, the more likely it is to go viral. AI tools like Hootsuite can help automate your posts, so your content reaches the right audience at the right time. The key to making consistent money is scaling your efforts. Use YouTube Analytics to track your video's performance. Look at watch time, engagement, and traffic sources to see what's working and what needs improvement. With AI's help, you can continuously adjust your strategy to keep making better content and gaining more views. Soon enough, your channel will be a viral AI-powered cat video machine. And keep in mind, creating viral AI-powered cat videos is not only fun, but also potentially highly lucrative. By following these steps, selecting the right AI tools, generating unique content, and optimizing your video for YouTube, you can start earning up to $3,000 per day with your very own viral cat videos. So what are you waiting for? Head over to AI Explorer and start creating your viral cat content today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below with your funniest cat video idea. I'm excited to see what you come up with.